The Meghalaya Police under East Khasi Hills on 11th July arrested one man for allegedly pelting stones at the residence of Law and Education Minister Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh at Laitumkhrah. The man, identified as Tiber Linting, 34, was in an inebriated condition and is stated to be mentally unstable when the incident took place. He was immediately taken into police custody. Meanwhile, security has been beefed up outside the residence of the minister. The accused is from Malki. We are still interrogating him if there are other people involved in the act, East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nomtinger, who immediately rushed to the spot, told reporters. The SP informed that 4 stones were pelted at the minister's house, and the accused person was also carrying a dao before he was overpowered by the family members of the minister. Fantin Joseph Lakdong, Lyngdoh's husband and a member of the KHADC Executive Committee, shared earlier that they were sitting at home when they suddenly heard stones being thrown at their residence. According to him, the window panes of the house were damaged during the incident. We managed to catch the culprit after checking the CCTV footage and identify the clothes he was wearing. We immediately snatched the dao from his hand. The accused was also shouting he wanted to kill someone, he said. When asked, Lakdong said that the accused person was all alone committing the act of crime as per the CCTV footage. However, I don't know from where he got so many stones. We don't know if others are also involved in the act, but we will know only after police investigate the matter, he added.